Again, every game I feel like I have really good trap placement. It never gets shown off because no one ever makes it to that part of the map. Place one right here in case they try to debate me here at this middle building. I respawned here, so it's not going to hurt me. I'm going to walk over here to this side over here. They can spawn by my ruin totem. That's completely fine. Walk over here, grab this trap, make my way over, see what's happening. I'm going to go this way instead because I have good corrupt intervention spawns this game. Lots of time to pick up traps, set them down, make plays. If I was a survivor, I'd run this way, so that's where I'm going to place my trap. On the outside. Ruin, regressing my gen for me. Hear them running. Walked up. Yes. Hangman. I saw the jacket. Doesn't make a window or anything from here. I'm gonna hit it. Someone else is on that gen already. I'm gonna hop out on the other side. Walking back to hide my red light. Never mind. Jolt regression. I'm gonna leave her slugged for a second. See what other kind of information that I have. Well played. Nice 360. I think that's a flashlight in the Yui's hands as well. Place this trap over here next to the killer shack so they try to utilize the hill. They can't. Someone picked up the fang. That's fine. I'm gonna pick her up. I hear no running. I feel safe. My ruins here. This sucks. 2 people finished that gen. Fang was over here. She ran away to heal. Can place a trap here as well. Someone's gonna see it. They're gonna disarm it. That's okay. I'm not gonna let you unhook for free, Claudette. No scratches going in for the unhook just yet. That was either light or balanced landing. Not entirely sure. Take a second to go get more traps. Go after the Fang because she's mispositioned. No dead hard. She used light earlier. I remember now. Man, I have to hook her over here. I hate the new hook placement. I don't even know if it's new. Just gotta predict their pathing, man. I wanted to place a trap there. I didn't have one with me. Someone left this gen. Right hand side. No. Walker. Blood. Fading. Maybe. No one else should have been here. I see pink. This is my Claudette friend with a flashlight. Take one hit based on her pathing. Leave her. I'll chase her. I feel like I got good prep over here. Well played. Not sure about that one. I might lose that gen. It's fine. 8 seconds. Could have multiple people working on it. They just got the unhook though. Chugging. I got outstanding prep for this jungle gym, please. It's a mistake. Yui could have been here with her flashlight. Check on this generator downstairs. Go from the left-hand side. Try to force him down to the right. And place a stupidly obvious trap. Sacrifice that gen, man. It's so far away. Got no prep over in that direction. I'll sacrifice it. Touch my ruin. What's wrong with you? Cut left, please. Thank you. Appreciate it. You just got to predict their pathing, man. They're gonna expect me to place it around traps and jungle gyms and everything else. No. Not this guy. You gotta hit them where they're weakest, man. They're pathing. They might not know it, but they're gonna be more likely to run certain areas against a trapper than just running to the pallet. They might not even know it, but I know it. Look at that, man. Who the fuck places a trap there? Please tell me. Who places a trap here? I hear you, Claudette. I hear you. It's crazy, huh? Left-hand side, Yui. Claudette. Long enough for her to leave the jungle gym. I never placed it there. Gonna take a window. I remember she has balance. Nowhere to go but into my prep now. It's okay. Got a pallet out of it. Didn't start bloodlust. I have time to chase her. Ruin's gone. That's fine. I don't need it. Another pallet out of the way on my half of the map. She thinks she's doing good, man. I think I'm doing better. I think I'm gonna force her into my prep here in a second. Chose not to take it. I got that prep too. Look at that. This stupid trap. It still works, doesn't it? Multiple regression on multiple different generators because of surge. I got the basement here if I need it. I'll take it. I have time. And I do need a few seconds to find some new places for traps, so I don't want her saved right away. As soon as she gets saved, more gens are going to be pressured. Do need to get over here and get some more jolt regression, though. Someone on that gen over there. This person running this way. Gladly, Fang. Just want to see what my situation is. What's their play? Heal in the basement? They should know that I didn't trap it. Sure is. More regression. More regression. Need to go up here and kick this gen. Real close to being in a bad spot. What was their pathing last time? Right through here. Where am I going to place a trap? Right through here. I can put two people in the basement. If she would have got that unbreakable play, I wouldn't have even been mad, bro. That would have been nuts. Unbreakable into the flashlight. Respect. Respect, my friend. Respect. I like this trap. Not that much. Changed my mind. Run me here, please. Enlighten me on how to run this jungle gym. Sick. Done. Bro, I thought that hook was her. Oh my god, I'm an idiot. Full regression. Sure. Fang working on this generator right next to me. No, the Yui. Still got regression on multiple different gens. That's why Surge is king on Trapper, man. Bring her towards my prep. Another perfectly placed trap. Look who ran through there last time. What's up, dude? How you doing, my friend? Exact same person. They're consistent. They don't even know it. It might not have actually been her that ran through there last time. I don't recall. Happy New Year, man. I had so many people tell me Happy New Year, and I felt bad because I didn't know it was New Year. Lost that, Jenny. That's fine. I'm gonna prep the doors now because I do need the 4K. If I lose the basement gen, we're in kind of sad shape. Nobody on it. Take my trap back. Haven't seen the Fang in like half an hour. It's the Claudette working on that gen. Like I said, haven't seen the Fang. I've also checked like all the gens. Both of them on Death Hook. I wouldn't mind the Claudette running around while injured. She's pretty loud. I think Fang's in a locker over here. What do you think? As far away from the gens as possible. I promise you, if anyone gets the hatch, it's going to be the person who is doing most of the work. Chest wasn't opened earlier. Could have been unbreakable. I'll go up here and go to the right hand side for a bird's eye view, see if I can see any crows taken off that shouldn't have. Just the Claudette again. Any scratches? No. Any crows? Yes. Not a crow, snowman actually. Hanging out right next to my door. I swung early in case it was a window. I couldn't remember. Claudette has a chance at the hatch. We know where she was last seen, though. Looking left, creeping towards the shack. Looking left. Hear nothing at the shack. I hope the hatch isn't here. That'd be unfortunate for me. Sorry, Claudette. I respect you, but I need this over with. Alright. Do believe we're done with all the challenges. I respect that Claudette, man. Look how many points she has. She was working, trying to get to the exit the entire game. That's why I said if anyone had a chance, it's going to be her. GG. GG.